Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate 2FA on PayPal using an Authenticator app. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening the PayPal app on your device or visiting the PayPal website on your browser. Log into your PayPal account using your email address and password. Navigate to the settings section of your account. Look for the security tab within the settings menu. Click on Two-Factor Authentication or 2FA to start the setup process. You may see options for different verification methods. Select Authenticator app as your preferred method. PayPal will generate a QR code for you to scan. Open your preferred Authenticator app on your mobile device. If you haven't set up the Authenticator app yet, download and install it from your App Store. In the Authenticator app, choose the option to add a new account or scan a QR code. Use your device's camera to scan the QR code displayed on PayPal. Once scanned, the Authenticator app will generate a 6-digit verification code. Go back to the PayPal setup screen and enter the 6-digit code. Confirm your entry by clicking the Verify button. You will receive a confirmation that two-factor authentication is activated. Make sure to save any backup codes provided in case you lose access to your Authenticator app. That's it. You have successfully activated two-factor authentication on your PayPal account using an Authenticator app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.